Hello, welcome. I'm Ambi from Ambi Ray Nails, and today we're going to be doing an isolated chrome shamrock for St. Patrick's Day. This is actually a lot easier than you think it is. So what you're going to need is you're going to need your base color. You're going to need a matte top coat. You're going to need chrome, probably green for St. Patrick's Day. You're going to need a dotting tool, and you're going to need a detail brush. For the base color, I went ahead and I did gold. White would look really great for this design too if you wanted to do white. And then you're going to take your matte top coat. I am using the Canny Velvet Matte Top Coat. This is a very, very important step because you want your chrome only to be on your design and not the rest of the nail. So it's really important that you matte that nail out. Pop that in your lamp for a minute. Okay, after that has cured for a minute, this is where you're going to take your detail brush. I like to kind of map out where I want to do my shamrock here. So that's why I use my little detail brush. And I'm going to just go ahead and I am going to draw an X where I want it. I'm going to put it like right here. And then I'm going to do the top part and just a little bit of the bottom because that's where you're going to do the tail or the stem, whatever you want to call it. And now you're going to take your dotting tool and you're basically going to make 3 hearts, the ends of your little points here. Make sure I'm in frame, and we're going to just kind of make that into a nice little heart, which is going to be a leaf. Do the same at the points of all of your little X's there. Okay. And now we're going to take our detail brush again. And we're going to draw on the little stem here. Perfect. Now we're going to pop that into the lamp, but only for 30 seconds. All right, now we cure the design for only 30 seconds because we want the chrome to stick to the design. So you're going to get just a tiny bit of chrome on your little eyeshadow applicator here. And you're just going to kind of pat that onto the design. Make sure to cover up all that black there. Okay, and now you're going to take your fluffy brush. Forgot to tell you you needed a fluffy brush, but you're just going to dust that off. Now you see how it's just on the design and not on the rest of the nail? That's what you want. Pop that back in your lamp for another 30 seconds. Okay, and now that that has cured, I'm going to take my little fluffy brush and I'm just going to dust it off one more time because I don't want any of those little bits in my top coat. And now it's time to top coat. I normally use Canny Diamond top coat, but when I'm using chrome, I like my lavender violets. I feel like it just makes it a little shinier. So that is what I am using. Back into the lamp. 1 minute. Hey, now that that's cured, that nail is done. That's how you do a shamrock. It's pretty easy, right? Let's see what it looks like on my lovely hand model, my fake hand Annabelle here. Let's see if we can maybe move her. Super easy little design you can do for St. Patrick's Day. I just did the rest of the nails in the green chrome, but you can do whatever you want. Put shamrocks on all the nails, put them all over, make it fun. Make it your own. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And that is all for today. So have a great and beautiful day, friends, and I will see you in the next one.